Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles in 2022, although it's still 2021 actually. It's the beginning of October here. October. And I got one that came from instantramen.jp. If you want to check that out, do so. Use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. Super premium stuff, and this is no exception. This is Nissin Tokyo style Abura Soba. Fancy, fancy. Drain spout. Okay, so 5 minutes. And where'd it go? Here it is. Here it is. So here is the bits and pieces. Put that in first. Where's the... There it is. I don't know, but I really like the way Nissin does their sachets. I don't know. They're just neat. I like how they're all color-coded and weird. Uh-oh. Here this goes in. And 5 minutes. But, oh, there it is. Now I see it on the side. So there's this one, which I'm guessing goes on last. There's a powdery one, which will go in second. And then this big goopy one, which will go in first. But yeah, it's like yakisoba, but it's a little different. But you steep it, drain it, rock and roll. I got something really cool yesterday. It's an upgrade, and it's like I love the cheapness. We've got a nice thrift store over here, a St. Vincent de Paul's thrift store. Shout out to the Kenmore St. Vincent de Paul thrift store. But the first bread maker I got was at the Goodwill in Redmond. We went to 4 different ones. That was the last one. We found one there. This, oh baby. Check this sucker out. Ooh. This is a Zoji Rushi bread bakery, home bakery, whatever you want to call it. It's not the newest version, which is fine. Generally, when you find bread machines at thrift stores, it's like somebody went and they tried to make bread. They put too much liquid in it, and then they're just like, and then they put it in storage. This one had the nice amount of dust on it that told me that. The bread pan has no scratches on it, but check this out. It's the shape of a loaf of bread. That scared the crap out of me. I didn't realize those just flopped out. But anyways, yeah, those just pop right on. But it's got 2 kneading paddles. Boy. Yeah, that scared the crap out of me. Crap out of me. Scared complete. There we go. But yeah, I carried this thing from the thrift store. Then I threw it in my cart at the grocery store and got groceries. I carried this, and I carried a thing of chocolate milk, a gallon of chocolate milk. What was this? Chocolate milk, some burritos. A pint of low-cal ice cream. I think that's it. I got home and like my arm was like, oh god, and then this arm was like, oh jeez. Yeah, it was a lot. But I did it. That's not the first time. I've been known to carry large amounts of stuff just to see if I can pull it off. And when you buy a bunch of stuff, it's not like, oh, I just don't want to carry it, so I'm just gonna leave it here. Some people might. You might. I can't mentally do such a thing. So, what was it, last year? Or the year before? For Thanksgiving? It took 3 or 4 trips, but I got everything down at our store, which round trip is about a mile, I think. And yeah, got all the, might have been more than that. I don't know how far it is. It's not that far. There's a hill, but yeah, I walked and I carried in it was at least 4 trips, all the stuff home for Thanksgiving. Rock and roll. What else is going on? Oh, the amazing, wonderful thing. I'll say that for the next episode. It's all past history for you now, though. But yeah, I'm really stoked on the bread machine. I'm going to attempt to do the shin bread again, I believe, by making flour out of it. We'll see. I might just try doing a loaf of top ramen bread. That might work. But yeah, just making flour from it. Emulsifier. That's what you need. That's what I was told by the guy who wrote the book on instant noodles and knows everything about flour and wheat and all that. So that may happen soon. I'm not allowed to use the bread machine until my wife cleans the bread machine. She's like, you're not allowed to use it until I clean it. Okay. I'm cool with that. All right, so it's done its deal. There's our noodles. This Abura Soba looks to be very, very thickness. Rich and thick. Thick, big noodle. Kind of give it a little bit of a tousling. As my dad used to call it. He'd like put his hand on top of my head and smear up my hair. And he would like find that extremely humorous. I didn't like it so much. It was like, oh, good tousling. Oh. In the meantime, I'm trying to find where I can put this. Uh-oh. Hey, wait a second. Wait. Ah, there. I keep getting all these little appliances. I mean, this isn't a little appliance, but I keep getting all this kind of kitchen-y stuff, and I don't know where to put it. But the old bread machine is going to go bye-bye pretty quick. Let's do this. I need a pair of scissors. I'm just gonna grab this pair of scissors that's already out that I was already using. That's all good. Okay, so we've got this big sucker. Put this one over here for now. But yeah, let's see, it's 9:30. In the AM. Big shout out to my lady. She walked to work today because she can. It's so close. But she hasn't given it a try yet. And now she's got to go to work even earlier. But that's okay because that means she gets off earlier. Yay! But it's crazy. I just got my son off to school. She went to work a little bit earlier. Now I have a bit of time with doing this and then time with Mimi, and then she'll go off to school. Then I'll bring her. I'll go get her from the bus coming home. Then I'll go get him off the bus, and my wife's gonna get home at like 4:30, and Miles will get off the bus like around close to that time, I'm sure. So everybody sequentially leaves. Everybody sequentially comes home. This smells really freaking good, let me tell you. Let's see, is this gonna go on top? Let's find out. What have we here? Yeah, this is garnish. I'm not putting that in yet. I'm not doing it. got here? It's just seaweed in that one. Now, if this is mayo, then I'm gonna be... Oh, this isn't mayo, this is goo. Strange goo. I don't know. What is this stuff? I don't know. But it's getting stirred in. Ooh, doggy. Look at that noodle. Wow. Ahsoka. Remember, when enjoying noodles, say Ahsoka. What does it mean? Absolutely nothing. But it does sound like a Japanese, like, toast, doesn't it? It came from the group Ramen Junkies, where somebody was trying to say awesome about one of my posts, which I appreciate, that's really nice. But instead of saying awesome, they said Ahsoka, and I think Ahsoka is one of the characters on Star Wars. Anyways, that's what came out, and we're like, yeah, that sounds right. That sounds like a drinking, like a toast. Okay, let me try this stuff out. Itadakimasu. Man, gluttony, thy name be this stuff. Wow. That is like the greasiest, wonderfulest, perfecto. What do we have here? We have meat. That's a good one, folks. I'm telling you, dude, over at instantramen.jp, this guy, I did an interview on a show called, oh man, now I feel bad. It's hosted by a fella who goes by Ramen Schmo, and the guy is the man. They do some way over my head ramen stuff, because a lot of them are in Japan. But yeah, instantramen.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. It's worthwhile. Is it expensive? Oh yeah, it's all going to be import stuff when you get it, and it's coming out of Japan. But I tell you what, you won't be disappointed. Everything I've gotten from this guy, really good. Come on, you. Right about. No. Crud. Sometimes the egg placement is very difficult. So I need to have a little place for Mr. Egg. Come on, Mr. Egg. Mr. Egg! You can go right there. Look at there, look at there. Egg-tacular? I don't know about egg-tacular, but I like it. A mountain. Thanks to Holy Slicer. Let's do this. Nice garnish. Like so. I'm trying to think what else to add on. I could add chashu, but there's really no room. Little seeds. I like the seeds. Something about a little bit of sesame seed that really... There we go. Do we need shichimi? This is... No, that's not what we want. Do I really need to buy more shichimi? I don't believe that I do. I really don't. I know I've got shichimi in here. Yeah. Is this a full bottle of shichimi? Not full, but there's shichimi in there. And it's gonna get a little bit of...
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to enter the Thunderdome of Rotato.
And meme.
Yes. Rotato, rotate for the people.
Well, it's Monday. That's the first review I've done for the week. This is good. This is really good. This is 5-star. That's an easy one. I'll tell you when it's a 0 and when it's a 5. How about that? And then you can go like, you didn't waste my time. You actually reviewed it, you jerk. Tomorrow's episode will hold this in store for you. This magical thing. Made in the United States. This is a new player in the field of instant noodle producers inside the United States. This is Ramen Express by Chef Wu. Hotter and spicier chili flavor. You can find this at Walmart. And it's good. Well, at least the other ones are good. Alright, see you tomorrow. Bye.